Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. This is a kitten right now. He made a family inside my down my generator of my house. What? And he made a little family there. You can't see it, but there's like two baby kittens. One newborn that it's still coming out. Yeah, this is weird. Oh, you can hear it later. Oh, you. Okay, it's kind of weird. I never seen a kitten birth a child before. Wow, it's near my aquarium. What? It's just meowing. There's like a family in here there, and yeah, it's very dirty here down my generator. Look, you can see a generator there. It's a generator. You know what? Let's just end the video here. Subscribe.